So you want to know how to use Twitch extensions? Well, you came to the right place. Do you keep forgetting to remind your viewers about Twitch Prime subscriptions? There's an extension for that. Do your viewers keep asking you if they're the #1 bit donator? There's a leaderboard extension for that. Would you like your viewers to be able to play soundboards by donating bits? There's an extension for that. Are you looking for an easy way to display your schedule down in your panels of your Twitch channel? Do you want to display your Instagram feed in your panels, polls, music, stream mini games, to display your latest followers? Live emotes? There are tons of amazing stream extensions that can work for you and fit your stream style. If this all sounds great, then follow me into the amazing world of Twitch extensions. Let's go. What's up, you guys? My name's CalmCoolSavage and I'll be your Twitch hack for the night. So you're probably wondering what a Twitch extension is. Twitch extensions enable you to create live apps that interact with your stream. As a panel on your channel or within your chat, you can create interactive experiences such as mini games, leaderboards, live gear information, and more. So basically, it's just a widget board plugin. You can find the Twitch extensions by going to the Twitch website, then going to your creator dashboard. From your dashboard, go to the top left menu, go down to extensions. Here you have all the extensions that you can use for your Twitch stream. One of my favorites is Prime subscription and loot reminder. With this extension, users can redeem their Twitch Prime channel subscription right on your stream. It adds an icon as an overlay on your stream that reminds viewers that they have a free Twitch Prime sub. Now this could be very helpful because a lot of people don't even know they have free Prime subscriptions. So you're probably wondering now, how do I add these extensions to my stream? Well, we're gonna go over that. I'm gonna take you guys through how to add a schedule extension to your stream. You're gonna wanna go back to your stream manager, go down to extensions, and for this demonstration, we're gonna be adding a stream schedule. I'm gonna go with this one right here. If you're curious about details and what the extensions do, hover your mouse over the extension and click details. Here you can read all the details about the extension and what it does. This is just a basic schedule extension and it's gonna work for me. So to install the extension, you're gonna wanna go to install. That's it. Extension installed successfully. You're gonna want to configure. Once you get your schedule set up, save, and here's a quick preview. Now I just set up my stream schedule. I'm gonna go save and then show you guys how to add this to your stream panels. As you can see here, these are all the extensions that I have activated, and here's the ones that I've had in the past. If I scroll down, when you find your extension, click activate. Set this to panel 3. Now you can only have 3 panels at a time, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace this just to show you guys how it works. And it's done. Go to your Twitch channel, and there you have your extension. If it doesn't show up down your panels, you're gonna wanna edit panels. Scroll down, click the plus sign, extension panel, and it's that easy. Go back up, save. You now have your brand new Twitch extension. Now there's other ways in the creator dashboard to edit your extensions. For example, if you get the Prime subscription and loot reminder, you can click on it in the dashboard and you can choose where you want the overlay to go on your stream. There you guys have it. That's how to use Twitch extensions. Just a short video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. If you want me to go in more depth on other extensions, let me know what extensions you want to know more about. Hit up that like button. If you want to see more videos just like this one, I'm going to be doing a top 10 extensions video on what the best extensions are. This is a new series on the channel where I help beginner streamers. If this video helped you and you want to see more videos, you like the channel, hit up that subscribe button. I love doing these videos and I love teaching you guys how to build a stream from the ground up. There's so many aspects to streaming that people don't know about. When I started, I didn't know there was so much that went into it, and I wish someone would have told me, so I'm telling you guys in these videos. So remember, we're all amazing people capable of amazing things. Get out there, create a life you deserve. Till next time, you guys, keep it calm, keep it cool, keep it savage.